H3PO2 is the molecular formula of an acid of phosphorus. Its name and basicity respectively are. We should remember that H3PO2, the name of the oxoacid of phosphorus, that is H3PO2, is hypophosphorus acid. H3PO2 structure of H3PO2 is, it contains one P double bond O, one OH group and two pH bonds. Here OH hydrogen can be replaced, but pH hydrogens cannot be replaced. So it is having one acidic hydrogen. So basicity of this H3PO2 is 1. So for the given question, H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid, its structure is, it is having one P double bond O, one OH bond and two pH bonds. So basicity of the H3PO2 is 1. So the answer is option B. And I want to give the structures of the option A, C, D also. Here option A is orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid is H3PO3. Orthophosphorus acid. Structure of the orthophosphorus acid, it is having one P double bond O, two POH bonds and one pH bond. Here it is having two acidic hydrogens, so basicity of this orthophosphorus acid is 2. And then option C, metaphosphoric acid, and basicity is given as 2. Actually it is not 2. Metaphosphoric acid in vapor phase it will exist as a trimetric form, that is HPO3 thrice. Structure of this HPO3 thrice is, it is a cyclic trimetric form. Here it is having 3 acidic hydrogens. So basicity of the metaphosphoric acid is 3. This is the structure of the metaphosphoric acid, and in vapor phase it will exist as a trimetric form. The basicity is 3. And then option D, hypophosphoric acid, and basicity is given as 2. But basicity is not 2. I will show you after giving the structure. First of all, hypophosphoric acid is, formula of the hypophosphoric acid is H4P2O6. Formula of the hypophosphoric acid is H4P2O6. The structure is, it contains a PP bond. Each phosphorus is having one P double bond O, and each phosphorus is having two OH groups. Total 4 acidic hydrogens are there. These OH group hydrogens can be replaced. So 4 acidic hydrogens are there. So basicity of this hypophosphoric acid is 4. So what they given is wrong, that is 2, it is wrong. Basicity of the hypophosphoric acid is 4. So here anyway, H3PO2 is a molecular formula of an acid of phosphorus, and its name and basicity respectively are hypophosphorus acid, and basicity is 1.